Okay, seems how Target is sold out of everything Lysol and disinfectant. I'm gonna make my own disinfectant cleaner um, with some kind of unusual things. I'm gonna use Skull vodka, white vinegar. I bought a funnel and I bought a spray bottle, and I'm gonna put distilled water into it. It doesn't call specifically for distilled water, but I'm still gonna use it. The recipe that I got also said you could put peppermint oil in it. That's what I'm choosing to put into it. But you can also put lavender essential oil in there or lemon essential oil. I happen to like the smell of peppermint, so that's what I'm going with.